Many people believe that starting a business requires a lot of money. This idea can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners. But the truth is, some of the most successful businesses began by solving small everyday problems. Instead of focusing on big investments, think about what people already need. Often simple solutions can become valuable businesses. In this video, we'll explore practical business ideas that don't need hype or large budgets. These ideas are about being useful and starting small. Let's begin by looking at how you can create value with what you already know and the resources you already have. Best businesses often start by solving real problems that people face every day. Instead of chasing trends or trying to invent something completely new, look around you. What are people struggling with? What do they forget, lose, or need help with regularly? By focusing on usefulness, you can build a business that grows quietly and steadily. In the next scenes, we'll discuss 5 easy business ideas that anyone can start, even with little experience or money. Each idea is based on helping others in practical ways. Start with reminder and follow-up services. Many people forget important dates, appointments, or tasks. A reminder service helps people stay on track by sending them gentle reminders. For example, you could remind clients about upcoming meetings, bill payments, or even daily habits. This service is useful for busy professionals, elderly people, or anyone who wants to stay organized. To start, you only need a phone or computer and a way to track reminders. Begin by offering your service to friends or local businesses, then expand as you gain experience. How do people need reminder services? Life is busy and it's easy to forget things. Reminders help reduce stress and prevent missed opportunities. For example, a small business owner might forget to follow up with a client, or a parent might miss a school event. By providing timely reminders, you help people stay organized and feel more in control. This simple service can make a big difference in someone's daily life. How can a beginner start a reminder service? First, decide what kind of reminders you want to offer: appointments, bills, or daily habits. Next, choose a simple tool like a spreadsheet or a free app to keep track of your clients and their needs. Reach out to people you know and offer to help them remember important dates. As you gain trust, ask for referrals. Over time, you can automate reminders using email or messaging apps. Start small and focus on being reliable. Another easy business idea is organizing information people already search for. Every day, people look for answers online, like the best local restaurants, how-to guides, or event schedules. You can collect and organize this information in a clear, helpful way. For example, you might create a local guide for parents, a summary of community events, or a list of trusted service providers. People appreciate having useful information in one place. How do people need organized information? Searching online can be time-consuming and confusing. When you organize information, you save people time and help them make better decisions. For example, a busy parent might want a quick list of after-school activities, or a newcomer to your city might need a guide to local services. By providing clear, organized resources, you become a trusted helper in your community. Start organizing information as a business. Pick a topic you know well or that interests you. Gather reliable sources and check that your information is accurate. Create a simple document, website, or social media page to share your guide. Tell people about your resource and ask for feedback. As you learn what people need most, update your information regularly. Over time, you can offer custom guides or charge for premium content. Many people buy new tools or services but don't know how to set them up. This is where you can help. For example, someone might buy a printer, a smart device, or a software subscription and feel lost during installation. By offering setup help, you save people time and frustration. This service is especially useful for older adults or anyone not comfortable with technology. How do people need help setting up tools? Technology can be confusing and instructions aren't always clear. When you help someone set up a device or service, you make their life easier and help them get the most value from their purchase. For example, helping a neighbor connect their Wi-Fi or install a new app can save them hours of frustration. This kind of support builds trust and often leads to repeat business. Start a setup service. List the tools or devices you know how to use. Offer your help to friends, family, or neighbors first. Bring your own instructions or check online guides to make sure you're prepared. As you gain experience, you can advertise your service in local groups or online. Focus on being patient and clear. Over time, you might specialize in certain devices or offer ongoing support packages. Another valuable business idea is comparing options and helping people decide. Every day, people face choices like picking insurance, choosing a phone plan, or selecting a school. These decisions can be confusing. By researching and comparing options, you help people make better choices. For example, you could compare local gyms, meal delivery services, or internet providers and explain the pros and cons. How do people need help comparing options? There's often too much information and it's hard to know what's important. By breaking down the details and explaining them simply, you save people time and help them feel confident in their choices. For example, a family might want help choosing the best health insurance plan, or a student might need advice on which laptop to buy. Your research can make a real difference. Start a comparison service. Pick a topic you understand or are willing to research. Gather information from trusted sources and organize it clearly. Create simple charts or lists to show the differences. Offer your service to people you know or share your comparisons online. As you build trust, you can charge for personalized advice or create detailed guides for specific groups. Simple maintenance or recurring help services are always in demand. People need help with small tasks like watering plants, checking mail, or basic cleaning. These services are especially useful for busy families, elderly people, or those who travel often. By offering reliable help, you become someone people depend on. This kind of business is easy to start and can grow through word of mouth. Why do people need maintenance or recurring help? Life gets busy and small tasks can pile up. When you help with these jobs, you give people peace of mind and more free time. For example, a neighbor might need someone to water their plants while they're away, or an elderly person might need help with weekly chores. These simple services make daily life easier for your clients. Start a maintenance or recurring help service. Make a list of tasks you can do well. Offer your help to neighbors or friends first. Be clear about what you offer and how often you can help. As you build trust, ask for referrals or post your services in local groups. Focus on reliability and good communication. Over time, you can add more services or hire others to help you. As you can see, each of these business ideas is simple and practical. They don't require big investments or complex skills. The key is to focus on being useful and solving real problems. Start with what you know, use the tools you have, and grow at your own pace. Remember, good businesses are built on trust and reliability, not hype or fast promises. Let's look at a real-life example. Imagine someone who starts by helping neighbors set up their new devices. At first, it's just a few people, but as word spreads, more people ask for help. Soon, this person is offering setup, reminders, and even organizing local information. Their business grows quietly simply by being useful and reliable. This is how many successful businesses begin. If you find these ideas helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Subscribing helps you learn more practical, realistic business thinking. It also saves you time by helping you avoid common mistakes. We focus on real solutions, not hype. Each week, you'll get new ideas and step-by-step guides to help you start and grow your own useful business. Remember that good businesses often grow quietly by being useful. You don't need to chase trends or make big promises. Focus on solving real problems for real people. Start small, be reliable, and let your business grow at its own pace. Over time, your reputation for being helpful will bring you more opportunities. Thank you for watching and best wishes on your business journey.